Do you want to see what's in J-Lo's bag?
Oh shit!
Oh yeah, she's got a bag of tricks.
We have a bag of tricks.
I gotta get my mind out of it better. Hold on.
Okay.
It's an invisible bag right now.
Go
Show the other
full screen.
side. Show the other side.
Go full
Other
screen.
side. Yeah, flip
Oh,
it.
sorry.
Flip it so they can
I thought
read
it
it.
was the. I'm
no,
sorry.
flip it. All you can do is read it. Well, you can't really read it, but
Wait, I
sorta,
got.
kinda.
Dave, can you read it? Let me move all this.
Come on, move all your alcohol.
Gosh, I know.
That's exactly
What,
what
you
should
haven't
give her.
opened it yet?
Somehow she got all
Thank
this
you.
stuff without us. We got nothing.
Yeah, we ain't got no. I ain't got no swag bag.
We had to drive it back.
see
Me
it?
and
I didn't have a
Vinny-
Dab
me and
X
Vinny
over
had
here.
to take it home for
guys
you.
Is that what that is? A swag bag?
Yes. It came from swagbags.com, right?
So I get to open this right now.
Weed.
You have one for Pinsky too?
Weed. Swag.
Oh,
swag.
you
Swag.
had to say it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what you got.
Okay. This is so exciting. Wait, sorry guys.
Oh, these are going to be all of Mark Saint's brands that he's
Okay.
made
Of course.
shirts for.
He made it, yeah, for her.
Weed
of course.
Club?
Oh yeah.
Made
You're part of the
custom-
weed club.
Just a
Night-
little
Oh yeah,
bit.
you're first.
know,
You know,
It's an actual club.
The
first.
rule
You know,
is?
the first.
And they
rule.
like do things.
Hold on, I got a
Okay,
card
let me
on-
see that.
Yeah.
that
There's
iron
like
on that.
activities.
You got it?
You
I
can't-
got it somewhere.
This is going to be scratchy.
Don't say
Really?
scratch.
Hold on, I might have it somewhere
Wait,
too.
there's something really nice in here. It's got
Oh,
gold
she's
on
got
it.
a
Gold
hoodie.
sparkles. I love gold sparkles.
Oh yeah, goals.
Oh my gosh! Wait,
Yeah.
you gotta read it.
That's going to be dirty
gonna be
before you
good.
leave here. It's white.
Oh, I need to wear it tonight.
I got this.
Billionaire hemp wraps.
That's what it says.
Yeah, that's what it says on there.
I'm wearing it every day.
every day.
I got this at a concert
Okay, wait.
once.
Thank you, Mark Saint.
Oh my god!
No, hold on, keep going. It's all
my
filled up with stuff.
gosh.
Tell
One
us what's.
Swedish made penis enlarger.
Oh, penis and lodges. Look at that.
Did
Oh,
someone
it's a.
sign that torch?
It's
Is
a.
that signed on the bottom?
Yeah.
It is signed.
Is it really
Is it
signed?
a real?
No, it's
Oh,
like
okay.
it's like a fake
Okay, a
sign.
Beavis and Butthead
Don't-
torch, because that's definitely her right
Okay.
Beavis and Butthead
What is
torch.
this?
Yeah.
there. Oh, you
Jesus.
want
This is a
that?
Nug Christmas ornament.
That's
this
pretty
is
cool.
so cute.
No,
Check
you're
this
supposed
out.
to wear that as a.
No, you have to wear that around your on your
Sorry,
belly
it's
button,
a
on your belly,
necklace.
on your belly.
Sorry,
piercing.
my bad. Oh
You have to-
yeah.
yeah, that'll look great.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Rosendogs just fell off
Come
the
on, come on,
chair.
come on. Keep,
Okay.
stick it out here. Let's put it
okay,
all-
can I?
throw it
Did you
can
look
I-
through
I
it
just-
already?
No,
Can
I
you
left
put-
it all for her. I didn't touch it.
Just
Okay,
keep
wait.
going.
Just go.
All right.
CBD
All right,
hemp.
all right. There's a lot of pressure.
Pressure.
hurry
she's
up.
Okay, I got a
She's
billionaire.
already
Oh, come
kicked
on,
out.
come on. Keep going.
Yeah,
Hurry
that
it up
sticker's
already.
not worried
Hurry it
about.
up.
Hey.
Take it
Yeah,
Jeez.
just say it.
Guys.
Say it
Oh.
and put it out there for them.
Yeah, Dave just moving
We're
on.
taking that for the show.
No, that
Oh,
is
dude.
no, that is.
She's already broken
is-
rule 5.
Yep.
She's out.
No, no, no.
Okay,
you're out.
CBD Living Black Cherry.
Whatever,
What
dude.
delta
Okay.
is
I'm just
this?
saying, yo.
I've got some nice stickers. I got a lot of stickers.
Those are dope.
Yeah, those are
Keep going.
cool.
Forget, we don't need stickers. They don't play well
What,
on
you don't
radio.
like stickers?
What is
They don't
that?
play
Is
well.
Why
there
not?
like an animal in here?
I feel like
Dave-
Dave knows
Dave-
what's in here.
Dave gets all aggro.
I don't know
He gets
what it is.
aggro at these
Oh, shut
situations.
up.
Yeah, why you so aggro?
It's not for him. If it was for him, if it was for him, it'd be all
I
right.
dumped it on the table.
There's
He's a non-crinkle bag.
What is this? A bass tray?
What is
But
that?
then,
That's a bash tray.
Oh yeah,
It's an
that's
ashtray that you
that's
can
all
bash.
That's all you right there. It says
but then I met the guy that
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
what does it say on
So
top
this is
there?
for you, bro.
Baby bash or something.
Here.
You
What
throw
is
it?
Lash.
You guys got me water?
it? We brought water back.
Water
I
bag.
can't believe
It's
we brought-
open.
See,
Oh my
a
gosh!
pre-open
Somebody opened
CBD
it.
water.
Oh, he might have
You guys
drank
drank
it.
my water.
Mark Saint, did you drink that?
God
The
damn
other
it,
Mark.
Mark.
Another Mark. There's another Mark involved.
Oh,
Just
get
kidding.
it? Bash tray. Ha ha ha.
What it,
Oh, but look who it's by.
Hell yeah.
what it,
said
did you
that.
guys
Oh, I
eat the
gotta see
edibles
that.
too? Just kidding. Okay, there's a lot of
A lot of-
So lost.
Because he knows you like those things.
the book. Oh, that is why he gave me all the blunt wraps.
Yeah, exactly, because you're the blunt girl, right?
That's so
Yeah.
nice.
So
I
hurry
didn't
up.
even. I thought
What
that
else is
this
in there?
was like a
Something else good?
normal.
Oh, now you're telling her to hurry up?
Now I am.
There's a. This is nice. There's a lot of.
So lost.
This is
He knows you
nice.
like those things.
Bearded.
Wait, I want to know if she
That's-
knows what it is.
that
What is that
is-
called?
I was trying to remember right
Does it
now.
have
Like a
teeth?
toger poker.
No.
Jeez.
You
Does
have
it
a
have
token-
No, a toger poker is a
No, that's
lighter.
patented.
Okay,
That's
no, what is
patented.
it
That's a
called?
patented
Duck
We
out.
got Toka
Oh my
Poker
gosh!
today.
Sorry, I didn't mean to sling you.
You slanged him?
Yeah, it was
No,
dangerous. It
it
came
doesn't.
with
It doesn't have teeth.
It doesn't have
It's
teeth.
not the digger.
I'm
the
not
digger.
going to read the rules.
If it was a digger-
Weed Club.
It'd have the teeth.
How do I,
Yeah.
Dave?
Oh, she's
I
getting
need
shot
your
in the
help.
face by her. It's shooting
Hey.
back. Hey.
Okay, wait.
shooting
I
back.
got
Come
even
on, what else you got?
more
Something worth-
papers
Whatever. I don't
and
care.
a lighter.
Oh my God! Trying to get
That's
the token program,
nice.
put the token program out of business. What's going on here?
See,
An
I
empty
got.
concentrate jar?
Oh,
A
geez.
dabber.
That's.
Come
Wait,
on.
he didn't fill it?
I
No,
didn't.
it's not a dabber. It's a
Of
roach
course
clip.
not.
This is a roach clip. This is
Oh, that's
nice.
from
This is
Mystic
good.
Timber.
Yeah,
I'm
they make dabbers too.
Oh, I have a Mystic Timber. Yeah, they're
You
good.
have a mystic thing? Oh, I definitely want to eat this sucker. What is this?
Suck.
CBD Sucker.
Suck. All right. That was a lot of looking.
All right. That's all I got.
That was it. I thought there was gonna be more.
Wait, there's
That was it.
something I forgot.
Oh Jesus! What is it?
100 milligram advertisement
Advertisement. All right, never
for
mind.
some soap.
Thank you guys. All right, thank you, Swag Bang. All right, now videos. Oh, Mark.
Oh man, I got
Come on.
stuff.
Our Mark.
Videos?